So today we will see about the prompts, how we can give effective prompts to AI tool so it will work as expected. So uh, our prompts should be meaningful and simple because AI can't understand the complex thing, and our prompts should be specific, okay, and short, okay, and clean. So let we have the few example. We will see how it will effective. Here we saw the integration of Copilot, okay, models, mode. You can check in GitHub Copilot list uh, on the same channel. If you need any help, you can put in comment. Okay, let us start how we can give the uh, more effective prompts to AI tool. Okay, so on the top in VS Code, we can see this Copilot icon. Here we need to click. It will open one chat window. Okay, we saw these modes. Okay, we will go with the agent mode because we are giving prompt and creating a useful app. Okay, here I selected this Claude Sonnet 4 model. Okay, because if you see there is few versions of this Claude Sonnet, so these uh, agentic mode will because if you see this is the version 4 and it will be more useful, or because it is more accurate, more fast. So we will use this for this application. Okay, so what we are going to create, we are creating a compression app which compress the multiple images. Okay, so let's see how we can give the uh, meaningful prompt so AI will get the clarity. Okay, create an application using HTML5, JavaScript, CSS for more interactive UI and layout to compress multiple images. Okay, do you see how I just put the specific prompt here. Let's see how it will be effective. Okay, quickly you can see this AI Copilot, it give us the description first, like it will create a interactive image compression application. Using this will allow users to select multiple images, preview them, adjust compression setting, and download the compressed version. Okay, it created the image compressor folder, then index.html. Okay, it is working more on the creation file. Now it created the style CSS. Let me open side by side this in browser. Go into this folder, open index in browser. Okay, if you see, this is showing the beautiful UI. Okay, it is created this kind of UI in a few minutes. Okay, it created the script.js as well. Okay, and it is adding the gzip support to HTML. and now you can see how it is giving the application brief view. Introduction, like interactive image compression application, key features, multiple image uploads, compression control over quality, output, image preview and compression, progress tracking, download option, responsive design as well. How to use it is giving the like quick way how we can use this. Open the index, upload the images, adjust compression quality, click on compress and download. Okay, technically it is giving like what it used: HTML canvas for image processing, CSS grid, flags box for responsive layout, modern ES, progressive enhancement with the fallback option, client side compression, client side processing. Okay, not server required. Okay, now it is asking to open this folder. Okay, we already open manually. Okay, we can cancel this. Okay, let me refresh this again. Okay, now I will upload the few files, few images. Okay, these are the high compression files we can see. Okay, now I can see these. Okay, let me open here. Right now I have, I select the all, if I select all files, it is 2.57 MB. Okay, let me clear from here, which I created earlier. I will upload now this 2.57 MB. Okay, do you see like how it is effective? Do you see how it is clean and like layout is very beautiful? Okay, very like effective user interactive layout. Okay, I can decrease the quality from here. If I put the 40%, compress all. Now this is not showing the compress because we didn't let compress. Okay, do you see the compressed file? Okay, so let me okay, there option the download individual, and also we have the download only. Okay, let me click here, downloading inside this. Okay, it is downloaded. Okay, I went into this, extract all. Okay, let me check the total file. Now you can see this is working. It reduced the almost 60%. Okay, 578 KB it is only now. Earlier it was 2 plus MB, right? Okay, so what do you think, like how it is working fine, right? Okay, let clear this. Okay, what we can add here. Okay, so we can this was the prompt, it was the clear and concise. Let me add something. Add demo video on front page. Okay, it has done this video edit, the demo video edit. So it created the UI, video container, interactive feature grid, fallback handling, to edit demo video, We have a video content suggestions. Okay, so there is these content suggestion which we can add into the video. Okay, so let's see how it is looking, the UI. Okay, so this was the earlier, the header of the website. Now see how it works. Okay, so this is the video we can prepare and add in this panel. Okay, these are the content of the video, like upload multiple images. Okay, these are the section of the video. This is our the how we here we can upload the images. Okay. So that is guys, so that's it guys. This was the about the how we can give the clear prompt to Copilot. Okay, so our development depend on the clearness of the prompt. Okay, so whenever you are trying to give the any instructions to Copilot or any AI tool, your prompt should be clear. Okay, it should be short and concise. Don't need go with the complete paragraph. Okay, otherwise it will create the massive thing and it won't give the expected result. Okay, if you want expected result, uh, just give the short, okay, short and clear prompt to AI tool. Okay, put in comment how it helps you, and if you need any kind of help, please put in comment. Okay, thank you for watching this.